I think that's probably not the deepest, but yeah, second time I'm fishing in that kind of waters. Probably got about 120 meters offline left on my spool. Fighting like one. Slow pitch jigging, 202 meters of water on the Saltiga 4000. It's a lot of weight. Not sure what it is. It's coming up fairly easy. I hope it's not a granddaddy hapuka. Oh, it is a... Is it a gemfish? Is it a gemfish or a barracuda? Is it a barracuda? Looks like a gemfish, to be honest. That's a new species for me. It might be a gemfish. It looks like a gemfish, for sure. Yeah, definitely a gemfish. That's another species ticked off the list. Oh. Cut through the hook. That's another species ticked off the list.